फाइल हो गई क्या?
मालूट कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, उसके बारे में पूछा, अप्रूवल ही नहीं मिला है मालूट स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का. दिस इज व्हाट द रिप्लाई इज सेइंग.
Malords, I am appearing for the respondent corporation in this case, Malords.
जी.
I am appearing for the respondent corporation in this case, Malords. We have filed the.
Have you acquired these lands?
My lord, we have filed it on reply along with the reply, my lord. In fact, the proposal was sent, my lord, and the intention to acquire has also been published in the Gazette notification, my lord. And now, my lords, now the major contention of the petitioner is that the Act of 2013 will be applicable, and since
We are not concerned with it. आपका नोटिफिकेशन जारी हो गया लैंड एक्विजिशन एक्ट के अंतर्गत.
But intention to notification has been issued, my lord, but not the.
कुछ नहीं होता है वकील साहब. कानून में इंटेंशन बता दीजिएगा. आपका मुकदमा फाइल करने का इंटेंशन होगा, उससे क्या हाई कोर्ट पिटीशन एंटरटेन कर लेगा?
But section R34 may be seen, मतलब page number 16 of my reply may be seen.
हाँ, R34, yes, बताइएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
कौन सा रिप्लाई है आपका?
Yes, ma'am.
एनेक्चर आईए नंबर.
Yes, ma'am. I'll ERP, ma'am. ERP में मतलब it's document number 4559/23, ma'am.
डॉक्यूमेंट नंबर
4559/23, ma'am.
4559. हाँ.
Yes, ma'am. So now R32 page at page number 12 is the proposal to acquire the land, ma'am.
What is the legal sanctity of this proposal?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you stall the proceedings on the basis of a mere proposal? कोई law है तो बताइएगा हमें.
Yes,
कौन सी law में कर सकते हैं आप इसको?
Yes, ma'am. Now, initial now thereafter, ma'am, R34. That's the notification.
Mr. Dubey,
Ma'am,
first answer the query that
Yes, ma'am.
under which provision of law,
Yes, ma'am.
merely on the basis of an intention to acquire somebody's land, you can
Yes.
stall the proceedings. बताइए, उतना बताइए, उसके आगे बढ़ेंगे.
No, ma'am. There cannot be any such law, ma'am. There cannot be any such law unless the land has been acquired.
That's the end of the matter. लिखिएगा, petition's contention is.
But now, ma'am, it's the locus.
You are appearing for whom?
My lord, intervener, my lord.
Huh.
My lord, actually, my lord, the petition number 1 he has typed, my lord. The legal heirs, my lord, who has filed the application for.
We are not concerned with you.
My lord, kindly.
The only issue is
they are seeking, my lord.
Municipal corporation cannot stall the proceedings. The proceedings will be carried out in terms of the law. I am not saying that carry out.
My lord, their title is also under cloud, my lord. They have filed
municipal
suit, my lord, suit for declaration of their, my lord,
we
title.
are not concerned with it. लिखिएगा. This petition is confined, being aggrieved of the action of the municipal corporation Katni, whereby the lands which were purchased by the petitioners have been denied mutation on the basis of some intention of the municipal corporation to acquire those lands. Full stop. Shri Dubey, learned counsel for the municipal corporation, appearing through Shreyas Dubey, appearing through video conferencing after drawing attention of this court to IA 4559/23, which is the reply and the documents annexed therewith to show that municipal corporation has an intention to acquire said land, admits that mere intention is not sufficient to stall the proceedings of mutation, etc., unless and until proper notification is issued for acquiring the said lands in terms of the law holding field on the date of such publication of the notice. Full stop. Therefore, the impugned act of the respondents cannot be given a seal of approval. Accordingly, this petition deserves to be allowed and is allowed. Full stop. Municipal Corporation Katni is directed to not to stall the legal proceedings and accordingly ordered dated 19/8/2010 is hereby quashed. Stop. The corporation shall proceed with the matter in accordance with law.
My lord, they have filed, my lord, suit for declaration, my lord. So, my lord, if the mutation has to take place, my lord, अगर ये observe कर ले, my lord, because my lord, I have filed, my lord, suit, my lord, they have suppressed, my lord,
Suit में
before
they are
responsible court.
party and they are
My lord.
contesting it.
my intervention was allowed, my lord.
हाँ ठीक है, वहाँ सूट में बताइए, चलिए।